Welcome back, everyone. We are going to continue to talk about conditions and operators. In this tutorial, we are going to explore multiple conditions. What if we want two variables in a condition? How do we do that? Here I have put an if statement with two variables. Variable is an integer and Boolean is a Boolean. So in this if statement, variable has to be greater or equal to 5 and Boolean has to be true in order for the code to run. Another way you can do this is adding in brackets. You may or may not have learned about this in math class yet, but for now, you can just add brackets like these. Make sure you pay careful attention to where the brackets are placed. Go over the line character by character to make sure that you have this 100% correct. So that was pretty painless, right? All we have to do is put the word and between two variables and all of a sudden we can compare two conditions. Sometimes you might see two ampersands instead of the word and depending on the coding language you're using. So what happens if we put an else statement in here? The only way for the else to run would be if the Boolean was false and the variable was 4 or lower. That concludes the tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial where we will talk more about conditions and operators.